How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your WordPress site or your blog site to your Shopify store account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into both your WordPress account as an administrator as well as your Shopify store. So I have that going for both these platforms here. So what we'd want to do here is we want to go over to WordPress, and we want to navigate to the dashboard till we find the option that says plugins. So normally that's found on the left hand side of the screen, as you can see here. So when you hover over this setting, you're met with two options, being add a new plugin and manage your installed plugins. So I believe I already integrated Shopify into my WordPress account. Let's actually check. Okay, let's see if we find Shopify here. Okay, it looks like Shopify isn't integrated into WordPress, so cool, we can start from scratch. So you guys want to click on add new plugin, and this will take you to the to a list of all the compatible plugins and tools that you can integrate with your WordPress account. So from here, if you can't find Shopify right away, you can click on the search box at the top of the screen and type down Shopify. I'm going to hit enter, and this should pull up all of the results. Now, there are a couple of ones that are made by third-party users, but the best way to migrate or transfer all of your relevant data from Shopify or your Shopify store over to WordPress is with this very first one right here. So it's Shopify Importer by catswebservices.inc. So this is honestly the best way to transfer your analytics, your stats, data, and products over to WordPress, whatever website you guys are building. So what you would want to do here is you want to click on Shopify Importer, click on Install and Activate, and basically let it do its magic. And here we are. It's been successfully installed. So we're going to click on Manage Plugin, like so. And I believe it's somewhere near the bottom. Okay, here we are. So Shopify Importer. So here you get to fully configure how to integrate your Shopify store over to WordPress. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.